Good evening, everybody. The Daily Trader. It is April 14th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so you don't see me today because I'm recording this from an undisclosed location with a laptop that has a really crappy webcam. So Palantir is down 48 cents today, down 3.72%, closed at 12.42. So let's look at what we have here. Yesterday we had a nice day. We bounced on 1237 right here. So we bounced on it, and today we came back down and just sat smack again on that 1237. And at the same time, we are still touching this upward support right here. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so the day started here, came down a red candle during the first hour, red candle during the second hour, and then we are basically just sitting sideways. Going back to the daily chart, the stochastic is getting lower and lower, 23. We have MACD crossing over bearish. The two lines are very close to crossing zero also. So if they do, we are going to need to switch this green thumb up to a red thumb down. In terms of RSI is below 50, so hence the thumb down, and the MI also. Stochastic is extremely low. We have this support that is holding for now, but I don't know for how long this is going to last. If you look at my Tesla video, I took a look at all of the indices, and things are not looking very good for the short term for the next week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great Easter weekend. We are going to talk on Monday for my non-members, but my members, I'm going to do a live on Sunday. So happy Easter again, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.